Hey guys, Jimmy Downley, Ford in Mount Vernon. Want to show you what I picked as the price point off the used car lot right now. It's a 2015 Ford Edge, 77,000 miles. Does have some chrome accents on it. If you're familiar with the RW package here locally, some of you are going to be. Under 15 grand. To me, that means a $300 a month payment. It's an SEL, so it's leather. It's all-wheel drive, backup camera, satellite radio, all the essentials we've gotten used to. Looks like new brakes, looks like new tires. Back seat probably hardly ever sat in. Older gentleman had it, traded it into us. Like I said, backup sensors, backup camera, nice unit, guys. If you're looking for something in that $300 a month range, I think this could be the one if you like the Ford Edge. If the catch is dry, come see us.